Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming at you today with a Christmas house tour. Firstly, I would like to say Merry Christmas to everybody who celebrates. I know Hanukkah is almost coming to an end as well, so happy Hanukkah to you guys if you celebrate Hanukkah, and just have a great season if that's what you are feeling as well. So we're going to have a little house tour with some special guests, I'm sure. But I wanted to preface this by saying, I don't know, I just wasn't really prepared this year, I suppose. I'm hoping that I have a few days off after this, and I'm hoping to be able to get a lot done in my house. Not Christmas related, obviously, but I definitely still decorated. However, it is mostly all things that I've never had before. I purchased a lot of stuff. However, it is all from thrift stores. I didn't buy anything new. So I feel good about that. And it was fun trying to find like the crafty homemade Christmas stuff like that. So that's kind of the vibe I tried to go with. Oh. And I wanted to share it with you. So starting right here, I have two of these Merry Christmas rugs I found at the thrift store. One is just right here at the front door. And then I have this cute, happy little Santa guy. He's kind of almost like a paper mache material. Over here, I have this Merry Christmas up here in the entryway. Another little paper Santa, just a fabric Christmas tree, and then some clutter. And these little, I can't remember what they're called, but these are fun, and I was surprised to find that still at the thrift store. Today's my mom's birthday. I'm about to head over there in about 30 minutes, so I'm going to bring this as like a hostess gift. And then that's her birthday present right there. I don't know what's going on over here. We're being silly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Like I said, I just kind of have things placed. I don't know. I didn't put too much thought to it, but it is what it is, and it's cute. So I have these two little homemade fabric trees. That angel is actually a pot holder. Again, all of this came from the thrift store, and then this just thrown on there. And I wanted to put my leg lamp somewhere. I didn't know where, so this is where I decided for this year, and it'll do. I found this cool little Santa that's trekking through the wind is what it looks like to me, so I just set him right there. And then I wanted to share this with you. I found this at the thrift store just a few days ago, actually. And this is an apron I'm going to wear tomorrow morning when I'm making some Christmas breakfast. It's just farm animals with a little Christmas festivities. I think it's super cute. So that's about it for this room. Nothing crazy, just the entryway. And then we have this situation. We have had sub-zero temps here for the past few days in Michigan, at least in my area. The snow hasn't been bad here where I'm at, except the temperatures have been. And I did not leave my pipes dripping, and a few of my pipes froze. So I have my water shut off, and I have my valves open. Just, I don't know, that's what they recommend doing. And then I have some space heaters just kind of angling here into the hot water heater area with all the pipes. I'm sure there's some sort of fire hazard here, but I'm just trying to get my pipes unfrozen so I don't have to call anybody. I'm going to test it out here in a little bit. It's very warm inside, so I don't know. I'm going to insulate this closet area better. It's not very well insulated after this, so this hopefully doesn't happen again. But this is colder than it normally is. All right, moving into the bathroom, I have the other one of those little Merry Christmas mats. I have this cute little reindeer girl, this pot, again, all things that I found at the thrift store. Cute little snowman, and I love these fabric decor pieces. So that's like a fabric wreath. I just found this little towel, and then this Santa, he's kind of creepy. I don't know, he doesn't look like he's having too good of a time, but I got him, and there he stands. And then this piece, I didn't really have anywhere to put it, but I thought it was beautiful. It was all like, what is that called? Latch keyed? Not latch keyed, latch hooked. There we go. And I paid $1 for that, so can't beat it. And then I found this cute little Santa shower curtain at the thrift store as well. So that's it for the bathroom. Moving into the kitchen. Ugh. Past that, here's my jugs of water just in case. My bathroom is not frozen, so when I need to use the restroom, I just turn the main water on really quickly, use the bathroom, and then turn it back off, and, you know, I have a few rugs that I found. That one, you guys know I found dumpster diving. This adorable little snowman magnet. I have just some pot holders everywhere. I don't know. Couldn't pass them by. And then little things that were crocheted and made that I couldn't pass by also. So I have that one right here as well. I have my little houses on my windowsill, as you guys have seen in the past. Here's another little puffy guy. Just some Christmas stuff right there. And this little Christmas bell. And then this wreath I love. If we're being honest, I didn't even open all of my personal Christmas decor buckets because I just found new stuff. I have one tiny little nutcracker up there. And then this really nice thick towel. Here is an update on the stuff that I pressure canned yesterday. All of the rings are off, obviously, and we are sealed and good to go. So that's the chicken. And then here is the beef knuckle. So I'm going to put those away, and I'm sure they will be very, very tasty. I have this oven mitt. And then into the main living room area. One of the chairs is missing, obviously, because it is holding the space heater at the moment. So I do actually host Christmas for my family, just the 4 of us, but they will all come over here in the morning. Even without water, we'll be fine. And we will have some breakfast. So this is the table, my folding table that I got from Amazon. Obviously, it doesn't stay here all the time, but I put it out for tomorrow morning. And this is the sheet that I found dumpster diving that I'm using as a tablecloth. I just put some cute little placemats out. Again, found thrifting. Same with this cute little rocking horse thing that I have some napkins in. Little mouse. And the plates that we're going to be using, I also found at the thrift store. I have cute little Christmas ducks, which I love. And then this, I found this brand new. It was like from the 90s, I think. But it was a wreath that holds your cards that you get. And so I put that up, and it's adorable. Brand new. I loved it. Just a little Christmas tree right there. And then I did put sweaters on a few of my plants. I think it's cute. And I loved this little crafty, fabric-y thing as well. And then this guy up here, he's just kind of chilling. Here's my skinny wooden Christmas tree. And this rocking horse, I think that we've had this in my family for a very long time. But I put my plant in this garbage bin right there. This Santa I found dumpster diving many, many years ago. And then just some little cute thrift finds as well. Another placemat, this little shoe, snowman, tree, Santa, chipmunk, and a classic tree right there. I did jazz up my basket wall for the holiday. So again, most of these are just like pot holders, but stuck with the fabric theme. A cozy Christmas. Even this little, what do we call that? Ribbon? I don't know. I found that at the thrift store as well. It was just in a big bolt. So I cut it up and used it. These are not the stockings that I've had up all season. I actually have had up the stockings that my grandma made for my family probably back in 98 maybe. So I had those up and they fit perfectly with the decor, but my mom took them so she can fill them up for us. So I just kind of replaced them with these ones that I've had. Again, another pot holder, this big pin I found, which I thought was funny at the thrift store, and this little jingly thing right there. And a Christmas kitty. Yay. This was a round tablecloth that I just cut the ends off of. And then another little swag up here. Again, with the tablecloth right there. Another one of those little things. And then more of that ribbon stuff. I just kind of cut and framed my windows with. And then I got 3 of these little wreaths. One big one right here, obviously very cute and cozy. And then 2 of these smaller ones. I found a lot of pillows and blankets. This one is Santa. That one is a snowman. I love this little Christmas tree pillow that I found at the thrift. A little table runner right here, and this Santa bucket, which I have a box of tissues in. However, it is currently holding the sweater that Gus is going to wear tomorrow for Christmas. So I'll try to show you guys a picture of that. I've tested it out, and he doesn't mind it, so we're going to wear that. I just put these little wooden fake Christmas bulbs on my light right here. And then this quilt, I think I showed you, but my sister made me this quilt this year. And the stitching on it, she did with little cat faces. So I think that's adorable. And Asparagus loves to sit right there. So that is his Christmas area. And yeah. And then over here, again, I just kind of put things places and called it a day. I think that's beautiful. Again, I found that at the thrift store. This, I know it's on the ground and it's kind of, iffy if it should be down there, but my grandma made this a very long time ago. And yes, it has the cat dish on it, but I will make sure to clean it after tomorrow and put it away nicely. I found this cute little tree skirt at the thrift store. I got the tree at Five Below. It's just a tiny little tree, but I thought it was fine. I put that on top, if you remember. I got that from my grandma. And then all of the ornaments I thrifted as well, but I love them. Little lamb chop. Look at these owls. Cute little stockings with bears. I couldn't pass by this big fluffy cat. There was actually tons of these, and his name was Pumpkin, and he died in the 90s, and obviously somebody just donated his whole collection, but I only took that one because the other one had all of his name on it. There's another Christmas goose. Love this little fabric guy. Santa, a whole bunch of these little snowmen. So I thought these ornaments were super fun. Look at that guy. So cute. So there's that. And then I found all of my wrapping paper at the thrift store as well, and I absolutely love it, especially this cute little bear. It's giving me very 90s vibes. Like, I absolutely love that. So these are all the gifts that I got. I tried to tone it back a little bit this year, so this is just for my mom, my dad, and my sister. And we will go ahead and open those tomorrow. I also found my tags at the thrift store, like the little sticky name tags, but I knew I was going to have a problem with them sticking, with them being so old, and I am, but it's okay. So that's that. Nothing crazy, just a little cozy area to host a casual Christmas with my parents and my sister, and I just wanted to share it with you. But I hope you guys are having a great day, a great season, have a great holiday, and I will see you soon when I come back for my next video. Thank you guys.